Hi everybody, my name is Leslie Ware and I'm also known as the Creative Cookie. Today I am going to show you how you can perk up an old boring shirt by replacing the buttons. Okay, so let's grab our materials. The first thing you're gonna need is some buttons, thread, a needle, a seam ripper, but you can also use your scissors to take the buttons off. So I'm going to pick out the buttons. I'm gonna do like kind of an assortment. We're gonna thread our needle. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we have to remove the buttons so we can swap them out. All you have to do, slide the blade underneath the threads and pull, and ta-da! So I'm going to push the needle through the back of the shirt, and then I'm going to just place my button right on the needle, and then I'm going to pull until the knot stops me. So I'm going to find the hole right across from the first hole that we went through, and I'm going to pull it, and now you've done your first pass. So you need to do that 5 more times through the first 2 holes. All right, and 1 more, and then I'm gonna jump to the next set of holes and do 5 passes again. All right, and the last step is to secure the button, and to do that, I am just going to tie a knot and keep going. Our makeover is complete. Ta-da! So thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for letting me share this sewing project with you, and I can't wait to see what you guys make. Okay, bye.